And they are some of India's biggest medal hopefuls at the Olympics in a year's time. Yet India's pistol shooters have gone without a coach for the last 3 years. Despite reminders, promises, assurances, they face an uncertain lead up to London 2012.
After making the country proud of the Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games, these gung-ho pistol shooters are chasing an Olympic dream. But all is not well for these medal prospects.
Last coach, the pistol coach we had was Csaba Gyurek. He was there till the Beijing Olympics, and after that he was not with us anymore. And we are just on our own.
It's very sad, and it's just less than a year left now, and we don't have a pistol coach. The federation and the sports ministry has failed to, search a good coach for the pistol shooters.
Repeated requests, hopeless waiting, and many unfulfilled promises.
Ministers promised us that we'll get it in 10-15 days, and that was more than a year back. So I don't know what to hope for.
Of course, we have been trying someone from the Russian group, and he is settled in America. He is advisor for them. He had agreed to come also, but now there is no news from him.
3-quarter places have been secured, and a few more are expected. But thanks to a sleeping ministry and a sloppy federation, these winners have become the sufferers.
ऐसा नहीं है कि आज हम अच्छा शूट नहीं कर रहे हैं, पर फिर भी हमें खुद को अच्छा फील होना चाहिए कि हाँ ये मेरी टेक्निक है या फिर ये मुझे करना है. जो कंफर्मेशन होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, वो कोच के होने से ही बिल्डअप होता है.
Some talks were going on with some coach, and they're already trying to get a good coach. But the thing is, you don't have a coach, only a coach for the team. You need a very good coach.
The final countdown has already begun. Preparations are in full swing. But the gold fingers aren't glittering as time flies.
If everything is going okay, then I don't need anybody behind me. But if something is not going as per my planning, as per my requirement and as per my situation, then what should I do? Whom should I go? So you should have at least a foreign coach who can look after everything.
With less than a year left for the 2012 London Olympics, some of India's top medal prospects, the pistol shooters, are still without a foreign coach. They believe it's hampering their preparations and may affect their performance in London. With camera person Praveen Vogle in Pune, Shubham Paul for Times Now.